Curtin University is Western Australia's largest tertiary institution and is situated in the Perth suburb of Bentley. National Precast member Delta Corporation was commissioned to manufacture an extensive range of precast elements for the build of the medical teaching building, including flooring, wall panels, columns and stairs. The 5-storey building, with a total of 6,350 square metres of floor area, has been designed to accommodate a mix of formal and informal learning areas. The external facade features curved precast wall panels, manufactured using coloured concrete and a high-class surface finish. Curved vertical fins on the building help provide shade and reduce cooling costs. The flooring is primarily Delta Core, Delta's own hollow core flooring. It comprises 234 floor beams weighing a total of 1,200 tonnes. Just 10 crane days and 58 trailer loads were needed to get the flooring in place. The project presented some serious design, manufacture and logistical challenges that show the benefits of getting a precast manufacturer involved early in the project.
Because we had one package and one company looking after the full project from a precast point of view, it meant that there was one point of contact, very easy to deal with detailing.
But also at the same time we worked with the architect to look at certain elements which were very difficult to manufacture as they were designed. Because of our initial involvement, we were asked to develop the precast further.
A large part of the brief revolved around the requirement for flexibility, which can only come from creating large open spaces within the building. Delta's ability to manufacture Delta Core 400 hollow core flooring planks, which are capable of spanning up to 17 metres, offered the perfect solution. For the Curtin project, the planks spanned up to 14.5 metres.
In fact, some of the largest spans that we've ever produced in Delta Core, and that posed a few problems, which we overcome. The main thing they wanted in the building was very clear open spans without intermediate columns.
The main advantage we found was the client had a requirement for large internal clear spans. So we've got 14.5 and 13 metre clear spans internally.
So it has to be flexible, which is one of the key points, is that having the clear spans is really important for the future flexibility of the building.
Perth-based Delta Corporation became involved in the project at an early stage.
And a lot of this is organised well and truly beforehand and before it's needed, because obviously, you know, it's not like you're going into Kmart and pulling off a couple of things off the shelves. These are all bespoke elements. They're all individually numbered, they're all individually manufactured, they're all individually checked. And so it's got to be done properly. So there is a lot of coordination that goes on in the background to ensure that the product comes to site in the sequence that it's got to go in, so that it can be installed. So we work very closely with both the builder and the installers.
The desirability of precast elements is not just all about logistics and engineering.
For us, it's been a very exciting project to work on because of the possibilities. We've got some very big transfers, we've got some big cantilevers, we've got a really dynamic structure. And it's all been put together like a kit of parts, so it's going to look like a beautiful finished. I think in the end result is going to be sort of like an absolute jewel, sort of like a beautiful building that's just immaculately put together. And I think that's the quality that you can get through precasting, which you can't get anywhere else.
A lot of structural elements that you find on building sites when they're done in situ, they don't look too pretty because they can't get the finishes that they need. With the precast that we've got here, it's both a structural element and an architectural element all in one. And so there are significant cost savings in terms of dematerialisation by using high quality precast structural / architectural elements.
I love the sort of the monolithic feel of precast, that it has that I guess the smoothness and the solidity of it just gives it a lot more presence.
For a list of precast manufacturers and for more information, go to www.nationalprecast.com.au.